Want a soul down in 1 minute? Stick with me, fast strat now. Load out first, high HP runes, magic resist cloak, and a reflection shield. Start stage left, kite her to the center to avoid spawn traps. Open with single target burst while avoiding her leap, count 2 beats. When she casts the purple orb, step right then dash at 0.8 seconds. Save your invuln for the white storm, it wipes dodges if active. At half health she enrages, watch for the glowing staff animation. Isolde plants a rune ring, jump out at the third pulse, timing matters. Reflect shield bounces her beam back after a 0.5 second delay, aim well. Use cooldowns on her staggered recovery, 3 quick bursts win the window. If adds spawn, interrupt with AoE stun and focus Isolde immediately. That's the 1 minute kill, gear up, practice the timing, and crush her.